everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you may have seen in more recent videos, we've been comparing some ports with some guns. Today we've got the Echelons, one from the factory, one from Vinny. The factory port versus the Vinny port. Vinny is Monsoon Tactical, good friend of ours, makes incredible stuff, may have pioneered a few of these things that we're testing out. So we're going to test these out. We're going to run them through a few of the tests that we kind of, well, I don't know if you call them tests, just some drills that we put together to sort of hopefully exploit some of the differences, if any. The first one I'm going to run is the factory. It's called the Echelon, what is it? Just Echelon Comp. So it's just a regular Echelon with a comp, chunk port. First drill we're going to do is the build drill.
Stand by. Okay, a 208. 208.
One out.
One to the left. See that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's go again.
You ready?
Yep.
Stand by. There we go. Wow, a 208 again. 208, but clean, it looks like. Maybe one just right. We'll check
Let's go check it out. All right. No, that's in. I mean, depends. You can go back and look at Aaron's video of the Vinny drill, and that's in. Whatever that drill's called.
That was the Langdon.
Oh, the Langdon drill. The joke is still funny.
Nice, dude. That's consistent, though. A 208 both times.
Now we're trying the Monsoon Tactical Echelon with his chunk port on it.
Stand by.
Whew!
That was a 230.
2 out.
3 out.
3 out.
Yep.
Gosh, that one was I think that was a grip situation, not a gun situation.
Stand by. There you go. A 216.
Those were all in, weren't they?
Nope, you had one out.
But at least I'm vertically inclined. Or declined. Other than this guy, obviously. Initial thoughts is very, very, very much, or very similar. The grip is very aggressive on this one, and it kind of had a learning curve for me for a little bit there. Let's keep trying. Let's do the B8, try out the accuracy, see how they compare with that. All right, we are at 20 yards, correct? And we're gonna shoot the B8 for accuracy. I'm gonna try and go nice and steady. I have a problem with that sometimes. All right. I guess the group isn't bad. I have these wild guys up here, but I think, yeah, well, that was definitely me. Looked like I reeled it in and I was just consistently left. Nice little group. So the accuracy isn't bad on the factory, by the way. We ran the factory first. Let's go back and run the Monsoon Tactical one and see how it compares. Okay, we got the Monsoon Tactical with its chunk ported. The Echelon. We got the 10 rounds. Doing this B8. That one was high. All right, let's go see how we did, or I did. Hey, look at that. Consistently left again, but a tighter group, arguably, with some random center shots.
That was your last shot.
Okay. Yeah, I would say that the Monsoon Tactical gun was a little bit more accurate. Now that could have been because I was able to grip it so much better with the stippling, and also a little bit less real estate, so I had more constriction on it, I guess. Also, I feel like the trigger, I think it's a stock trigger, right? Felt like it was a little bit crispier. Maybe he polished some stuff in there. I don't know. Felt a little bit better to me. Maybe it was perceived that way up here. Now let's go over to the steel and have a little bit of fun and see how they behave in kind of like an open environment. We've got an array of steel set up here, and it's just kind of like a free-for-all. We can shoot it in however we want just to kind of get a feel for the gun. As I've been doing, I'm going with the factory one first. Neither of these have a mag well, so be gentle on me when I do a goofy reload. Oh. Oh no, I screwed it up. Hey, that was fun. It was ugly, but it was fun. We got the Monsoon Tactical Echelon out here with the chunk port. Let's have a little bit of fun and see if it's funner than the factory one. Oh, I lost the dot there on the couple of those shots right there at the end, but I'm gonna say there's less felt recoil on this one, on the Monsoon gun. It was way easier to kind of reel it in and keep it where I wanted to. You may be able to see that in the video. It's hard to translate, but I'm telling you, it was much better for me. Not to say that the factory one wasn't still great. When I was shooting it over there, I didn't notice a difference. It wasn't until I was kind of like transitioning and having to really bring the dot back down while moving, that's where I really noticed it. Let's grab the other one here. Obviously, aesthetically, this one is quite a bit better looking, but I think they're fairly comparable, which is cool because obviously the factory has a lot more resources than Monsoon Tactical, and he's still, and did it first, did a great job, and like I said, it's probably better. Other than that, I think they're great guns. I actually am surprised how much I like the Echelon. I hadn't messed around with it really at all before today. I'm kind of an Echelon fan. I like the grips. They're narrower than the carry comp, which makes it so that I can grab it better. Anyways, if you're thinking about getting an Echelon, probably a decent gun to get. You can get it ported now from the factory, or you can get it from Vinny. Now, maybe that's interesting. I'm just noticing this now. There's a little bit more cut in the factory one over here, which you might think would give it a better or less felt recoil, but I'm still standing by this one being better. Anyways, that's our video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for all your support. See you next time.